Some strategies to maximize profits in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can prove to be quite profitable for those who learn a great deal about it and implement what they learn. Learn everything you can to ensure the highest profit margin. The video below provides some solid information to get you started on your way. Stay on top of changes in the commission structures your affiliates offer. Many affiliates will vary the commission they offer to website owners based on seasons, current sales figures, and individual performance. If you keep up to date with your affiliates' commissions, you can modify your website to emphasize or de-emphasize their products accordingly. Separate your task list so that you do not become confused or bogged down while working as an affiliate. Personal matters can sometimes get in the way of affiliate marketing, especially if you allow them to bleed over into your work. Make sure you're doing your best to keep these two worlds from colliding. Some of the advertisers who offer affiliate marketing partnerships will make special offers from time to time, not just to their customers, but to the webmasters they partner with, too. Affiliates may offer bonuses or other incentives for website owners who deliver certain kinds of traffic or help to make a certain amount of sales. Profit-minded webmasters stay on top of these offers and adjust their website advertisements accordingly. In affiliate marketing, you will find products you love, as well as merchants and networks that you love to work with. You must remember that the affiliate marketing business is a business, not a romance. If a particular partnership grows unprofitable, you must be prepared to cut it off, no matter how enamored you are with the partner or their products. If you take the time to plan your next move and keep these tips in mind, you are going to see the positive outcome that you were hoping for when you decided to get involved. So make an action plan, including these tips, and get to work. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.